buzzing bug, the bumblebee, the flowers bloom, the sky so blue. Allah made it all for you. The shining sun, the glowing moon, the stars that twinkle night and noon. Mountains tall and rivers wide, fish that swim and birds that glide. Tiny ants and giant trees, the dancing wind and ocean breeze. Camels walk across the sand, rain that falls across the land. Tiny ants and giant trees, the dancing wind and ocean breeze. Camels walk across the sand, rain that falls across the land. My hands, my feet, my eyes, my nose, the way I laugh, the way I grow. Allah made me head to toe, and He loves me, this I know. So raise your hands and start to say Alhamdulillah every day, for all the gifts from up above. Allah made it all with love.
Pew-woo! Please subscribe to Giga Giga Tunes or iQuai. Thank you.